Welcome to CircuitBoost. In this video, we're diving into one of the most impactful digital transformations shaping global logistics, robotic process automation, or RPA, in supply chain management. In today's fast-paced supply chain environment, businesses are under immense pressure to deliver goods faster, reduce costs, and minimize errors. However, traditional manual processes are not only time-consuming but also error-prone. Robotic Process Automation, or RPA, comes as a digital enabler, streamlining operations by automating repetitive and data-intensive tasks. This video explores how RPA delivers tangible benefits in modern supply chain management. One of the most impactful benefits of RPA is scalability. As your supply chain expands, RPA bots can be scaled quickly without major cost increases. These bots operate 24/7, significantly reducing turnaround times. Unlike human effort, RPA ensures accuracy in every task, be it invoice processing, order updates, or inventory control. This level of consistency builds operational reliability. Compliance is non-negotiable in supply chains, especially in regulated industries like pharmaceuticals and food logistics. RPA ensures each action is logged, creating a digital audit trail. This is extremely useful during internal or external audits. It reduces the effort needed to gather compliance data and supports adherence to standards like ISO, FDA, or customs regulations. Automation helps you stay audit-ready at all times. Imagine knowing the exact status of a shipment or inventory level without making a single call or checking multiple systems. That's the power of RPA in real-time monitoring. Bots can gather and consolidate data from various systems, presenting a unified dashboard to decision-makers. This real-time visibility enhances responsiveness and empowers supply chain managers to take proactive actions before disruptions occur. RPA bots don't replace employees, they empower them. By taking over mundane, repetitive tasks like data entry, reporting, or shipment status updates, RPA allows employees to focus on strategic decision-making, vendor management, and customer satisfaction. This not only enhances productivity but also improves job satisfaction and reduces burnout. Before RPA, supply chains relied heavily on manual operations, spreadsheets, emails, and human input. These methods are prone to errors, especially when managing thousands of SKUs or multiple warehouses. Teams often spend hours reconciling data, chasing down documents, or fixing fulfillment errors. The absence of real-time insights also slowed down decision-making and responsiveness, impacting overall agility. One of the silent but powerful advantages of RPA in supply chain is its ability to fuel better decisions. Bots can gather real-time data from various systems, like inventory levels, shipment status, and supplier inputs, and funnel this into dashboards or ERP tools. With faster access to clean, up-to-date data, supply chain leaders can make proactive decisions, whether it's rerouting a shipment, adjusting order quantities, or managing supplier risks. Let's take a real-world case study from the manufacturing sector. A global electronics company implemented RPA to automate invoice validation across 15 suppliers. What used to take several hours per invoice, validating amounts, matching purchase orders, flagging mismatches, was now done in minutes. The result? An 85% drop in invoice errors, a 60% faster processing time, and improved supplier relationships thanks to early payments. As RPA matures, it's increasingly being paired with artificial intelligence. Imagine bots not just executing tasks, but also analyzing trends and suggesting actions. For example, AI-powered bots can forecast demand spikes, optimize routes, or even negotiate better deals with vendors based on historical pricing trends. This is where supply chain management is headed, towards intelligent automation that learns and evolves with your business. To sum up, RPA in supply chain management is not just about automation, it's about transformation. From improving operational speed and reducing human errors to enhancing visibility and ensuring compliance, RPA is helping businesses gain a competitive edge. If you're in supply chain operations and haven't explored RPA yet, now's the time.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CircuitBoost for more tech tutorials and insights. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video.